In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ranking questions in Google Forms. This feature can be incredibly useful when you want to gather preferences or priorities from respondents, allowing them to rank options according to their importance or preference. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to navigate to your Google Forms. Open your web browser and head over to Google Forms by visiting the URL or using the Google Apps menu if you're already logged into your Google account. Once you're there, either open an existing form where you want to add the ranking question, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Next, locate the plus icon in the toolbar on the right side of your screen. This icon allows you to add a new question to your form. Click on it, and a new question box will appear on your form. By default, Google Forms will set this new question to a multiple choice format, but don't worry, we'll change that in the next step. Now, with the new question box selected, look for the drop-down menu that currently says Multiple Choice. Click on it to see a list of different question types you can choose from. Instead of sticking with the default option, scroll down the menu and select Multiple Choice Grid. This selection is crucial because the grid format allows respondents to rank items across different columns, giving you the ranking effect you're aiming to achieve. After selecting Multiple Choice Grid, you'll see two text fields labeled Rows and Columns. The Rows section is where you'll input the options you want people to rank. For example, if you're asking respondents to rank their favorite fruits, you'd list each fruit in this section. Take your time to add as many options as necessary to capture the full range of choices you want to provide. Now, let's focus on the Columns section. This part is where you create the ranking scale. For instance, if you have 5 options listed in the Rows section, you should add 5 numbers or labels in the Columns section to represent the ranking order, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This setup will allow respondents to assign a unique number to each option, indicating their preference order. And there you have it. You've successfully added a ranking question to your Google form. This setup will enable respondents to rank the given options, providing you with valuable insights into their preferences. As you finalize your form, remember to test it by filling it out yourself to ensure everything works as expected before sharing it with your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create more engaging and insightful surveys with Google Forms.